Summer heat is in full swing, and your garden might be feeling the burn. But don't worry, in this video, I'm sharing 8 essential tips to help you keep your garden thriving through a heat wave, even in the hottest temperatures. When the heat hits, shallow watering can dry out your plants. Water deeply at the base of your plants in the morning or evening to encourage deep root growth. This helps your plants access water even during the hottest part of the day. Mulching is a game changer when the weather heats up. Apply 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch around your plants. This will keep soil cool, reduce water evaporation, and suppress weeds that can compete for water. Not every plant loves full sun. Use shade cloths or trellises to protect heat-sensitive plants from the harsh midday sun. Shade can lower the temperature of the soil and keep your plants from wilting. Keeps everything in your garden happier. For instance, heat-tolerant plants like tomatoes can handle the sun, while leafy greens need some afternoon shade. Switch from sprinklers to drip irrigation or soaker hoses. These direct water exactly where it's needed, at the roots. They're more efficient and they won't waste water evaporating in the heat. Overlay tip: consider setting a timer to water early in the morning or late in the evening. Watering the soil rather than the leaves reduces the risk of fungal diseases and helps your plants get the hydration they need directly. Plus, it prevents water droplets on the leaves from magnifying the sun's rays and causing burns. Good airflow is crucial in preventing heat stress. Trim back excess foliage and clear any debris to ensure air can circulate freely. This also reduces the risk of mold and pests that thrive in hot, humid conditions. In a heat wave, things can ripen faster than usual. Make sure to harvest early and often. This encourages your plants to keep producing. Plus, harvesting before things overripen ensures your plants conserve energy and focus on fresh growth. Overlay tip: pick fruit and vegetables while they're still young and tender, especially during peak heat. And there you have it, 8 ways to keep your garden thriving in a heat wave. With a little care and attention, your plants will survive even the hottest days. What tips do you swear by for summer gardening? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow gardeners. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.